watching 4 hours of ASMR before 7 o'clock in the morning, it gets you a little loopy, you know? That's why I'm up gardening. At 7, I'm like, okay, I need a change of something. But I was listening to it while I was doing this. So I've already planted my spider babies. I have a mystery. You know when you get one of those discs with seeds in it? And I don't know if it's going to be a fruit, a vegetable, a plant, or a flower. And in here I have my oregano. And I was just doing some basil. So I'm like, let me get on with the people. Like, I know it's super early. Everybody is sleeping. But you guys will watch the rewatch. I knew. I haven't been on live since, like, last year. This time. No, I've been on live, but not gardening. Actually, no. I was on there, like, Thanksgiving. That was probably the last time. Let me show y'all the seeds. I should be whispering if I'm doing ASMR. Dang. This is why I can't do ASMR. So that's the basil. And that's the oregano. We got the cars. Of course it was silent until I decided to do the live. So it's like half. It's like when they do soft spoken. This is soft spoken for me. Alright, we're just gonna cover the top. Oh, I didn't do the finger flutters. They be doing. Y'all hear it, y'all hear it. Let me know if you like it. Do y'all like ASMR? Let me know your favorites. ASMR artists in the comments below. See, I'm practicing for my YouTube channel right now. Alright. I hope that the surrounding sounds bring you comfort. Yo. I can really do that. Let me know. Comment down below. So basically that's all I came to do. Everything's done. Thank you for joining.